So let's start with the lab 4, VJ display and then Frogger. So first of all, as this is the second week, I would like to know how much are you guys done with and what are the problems that you have for now, and if I can address those. So anybody who is basically done with the shape of the frog, the car or the wood logs, please raise your hand.
I got the wood log.
Wood log.
And my frog looks like the wood log except green.
You said, yeah, like Carlos like the wood logs at the other. You said it doesn't have to be a frog, right? Though.
Yeah, for this one you will get more points if you have a frog with a proper shape, but if you have something like this wood log in green color that represents your frog, it should be fine, but I will deduct points for this shape.
What about if I did like Kirby or something?
So Kirby means what?
Kirby? No, from Super Smash Bros.
That's fine. That's fine. Any other character which is funny, looks okay, should be fine.
Okay.
Okay. So okay, you are done with the wood log. Garrett, the frog.
Yeah. It's like top-down view, but yeah, I'm a frog, yeah.
Okay. So Yarki.
Just the wood log, just moving the wood logs.
So can you see the movement of this log, and you can bounce back from the two walls, or
I did it a little bit differently. It's just it goes off the screen and then comes back on the other side.
Mm.
oh okay. So so the bouncing feature is not implemented yet. Okay. So and what about you?
Wood logs
Wood logs.
in the background.
Okay. So you were saying that you are done with this lab.
Oh yeah. No, I got the logs. Basically, the log. I didn't do the logs yet, but it's just a square or a rectangle, so it won't be that bad. So I did a car as a rectangle, and I had it go like drive across the screen, and then like it would actually come like so when I was entering this side, it would show up on the other side as well. So transition perfectly.
Okay. Andy.
I haven't got much on it.
Okay, so let's start with the basic version using this exercise. This exercise is about displaying and moving shapes on the VJ display, and you can look at the examples from chapter 12 and 13 of your textbook as reference. And so the main part is to display a rectangle. So this should be pretty easy for you. You already, if you have the shape of the log already done, then you have to add the capability to move it inside the boundaries. So the trick is to basically have the boundary conditions so that you can bounce back from the left side, right side, bottom and top. And then it's going to be automatically, the movement is going to be automatic. You don't have a control over it other than using the 4 buttons, button up, down, left and right. So let's say you press the button left and it will keep on going to the left till the time you don't press it again. Okay, on the opposite direction. So till the time you don't press any button, it should keep on going in the same direction. Okay, there is no diagonal movement, it's only in X or Y axis. So the movement of the rectangle should be controlled by these 4 buttons, up, down, left and right. And each button press should change the direction of the movement. And on each press, the rectangular should move automatically without any further interaction from the user. So that's an important point. The rectangle should stop if it reaches the boundary of the screen. You should press the button only once to change the direction. Okay, so this is going to be in-class exercise. You pretty much have the time for this lab to do it, and I'll check the demo later at the end of the class. So let me give you some some information on this. Okay, so first of all, let me expand this one. So what's the center point in here?
320, 320 or 329.
Yeah, so it's going to be 640 by 2, which is 320, and then 480 by 2, which is 240. So this point basically is, center point is going to be 319, 239. Okay? So let's try to see if you basically extend these lines on this side and on the other side as well.
You said a 5-minute video?